I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford F150 backup camera. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new camera. Safety is key, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your truck's battery. This simple step prevents any electrical issues while you work. Having the right parts and tools ready makes the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now let's get to the old camera. Open your truck's tailgate and find the camera housing, usually near the tailgate handle. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the outer trim panel. This panel often snaps into place, so be patient. Once the trim is off, you'll see the camera. Carefully disconnect its electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the old camera out, it's time for the new one. Take your new backup camera and connect its electrical plug to the truck's wiring harness. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully position the new camera into its designated housing opening. Once it's seated correctly, align the trim panel you removed earlier and press it firmly back into place until you hear it snap. This ensures a snug fit. Almost done. Reconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery. Make sure it's tightened securely. Now, hop into the driver's seat, start your truck, and shift into reverse. Check your display screen to ensure the new backup camera is working properly. Look for a clear image and correct guidelines. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your backup camera. Enjoy your improved visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.